Hi, today is the 31st of August, and today we will discuss a chart setup which looks very interesting. I won't tell you the name of the script beforehand, but I will tell you about the chart. Now, this is a chart of a stock. It is a FNO stock, and this has been a constant uptrend till this place. Went all the way to 2000 plus levels. And from there, it had a sharp fall, a three-wave rise, and another fall. Now, this whole fall from here to here retraced 61% of the previous five-wave rise. So we have a classical five up and three down. Then, now remember this is a weekly chart. Then we also see that this decline here is actually a very interesting formation which is known as the ending diagonal. So the momentum on the downside is actually decreasing. It's also interesting that a lot of people have now called for targets of around 1100 to 1000 levels on the downside. So the sentiment on this stock is very bearish, but the stock is not falling. And in fact, the last weekly bar is a nice reversal bar. Now, if you see the internals of this wave, let us count it. So this is a nice three wave decline, which I have labeled as WXY. And in the wave Y, we have A, B, and C. And on the C wave, we have this ending diagonal as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So five waves of the ending diagonal are fairly looks to be complete, though there is no confirmation as of yet. So let us have a look at this on the daily chart as well. Now here is the daily chart, and you can see this nice formation. Now, when is it going to confirm? The first confirmation would be on the break of this trend line, which will be at 1417. Then the next confirmation would be on this wave 4 top, which is 1456. So once this clears 1456, it goes through this, then it's pretty much confirmed that this ending diagonal is complete. And once the ending diagonal is complete, we would see a fast move to the beginning of the ending diagonal, which is at 1680. So this, as per the rules of ending diagonal in the Elliott wave principle, we know that this retracement of the ending diagonal should take place in one third the time it needed to form the ending diagonal. So here we see that ending diagonal took almost 1, 2, 3, and 4 months to form. So if this is confirmed here, this should go to this level in about 6 weeks at the maximum. So that is likely to be a very fast move back to around 1680 levels. But what is more exciting, friends, going back to the weekly, that we have here a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, followed by a ABC or a WXY decline, 61% retracement. So this whole thing is a corrective structure, and corrective structures are likely to be fully retraced. So going forward in time, in the next few months, we are likely to see this top being taken out in this stock. Therefore, this is a potential multi-bagger stock, which one should always keep in your radar. It will be also interesting to see what is happening on the intraday time frame. Let us go there. Now, this is a 30-minute chart, and you can see that there was this very nice rise up, followed by a decline. And if you'll see, this decline actually just about did 50% of the previous rise. And then yesterday, the chart took off again and came back to 1400 levels. So this is a small 1-2 formation here. This is wave 1 and this is wave 2. And wave 3 is likely to be ongoing. What is the target for wave 3 on the intraday time frame? The minimum target would be 1467 and the ideal target would be 1549. So even on the intraday time frame, this chart is likely to explode on the upside. Well, that is the possibility. Of course, it could go back down and consolidate a bit more. We cannot say, but this is the ideal wave structure and the path of next movement. So, folks, friends, this is a Ganesh Chaturthi gift for you. You can track this, you can buy this, you can use your own stop losses, but this is likely to go to newer and newer and newer highs. What is this stock? A lot of you guys would have already understood what I'm talking about. This is IndusInd Bank. So IndusInd Bank looks pretty interesting and a very nice chart study in the Elliott wave principle. And finally, we are going to Kolkata once again, October 2nd, for a small workshop on Elliott wave analysis. And these are the details. And those of you who would want to attend and learn, feel free to contact us. Thank you and all the best. Bye bye.